Hello friends, in this video we intend to create an Alpari broker account together using the TRC-20 method. We select the Deposit Funds option. The page related to the fund transfer opens for us. We select the transfer option from USDT. We choose the desired amount in USDT. And in this section you select the transfer to the trading account in USD. And you click on the Continue option. In the second step, you enter the details related to the fund transfer, the desired amount for the transfer, and we select the type of currency, which is USDT based on Tron, and click on this option indicating that you have accepted all the rules related to account charging and payment in this broker. Then we select the Continue option. And in step 3, you click on this option that states you wish to save the details related to your payment, and then you click on the Submit option. At this stage, scan the provided QR code with your mobile wallet. Your deposit operation at Alpari Broker has been successfully completed, and in this section, you can view the details related to the deposit and payment. Wishing you success and profitability.